Welcome back to our channel. Happy fall, right Maya? Today we're doing a nice fall decoration.
A fall wreath.
A fall wreath, and we're gonna use the some of the recycled materials, which we already used for spring wreath, but we'll make it a little bit different this time. And we're also using cheap materials from Dollar Tree. This actually plastic
And then I can be a fall angel.
So first of all, we'll start with the wreath itself. And we want to make it a beautiful rustic view. I really wanted to buy some burlap, which is with nothing, but I couldn't find it. So I found that one from Dollar Tree again, which kind of has a little bit of the pretty lace on it, but I think we'll remove it.
And we also have this orange glittery pumpkin color.
Yeah, I bought it for that's a ribbon for an accent, like a ribbon, a cherry on top. So I'm gonna start removing the lace.
This stuff.
Maybe. Later, stay tuned and we'll show a Halloween wreath and a Halloween bouquet.
Ooh. I did not know we were going to make a Halloween bouquet.
You did not?
No.
Okay, so this thing can be removed really easily. It just needs...
And the next item we're going to be using are these paper leaves.
Yeah, we bought some fake leaves for $1, and I think they're really cute. They go in different colors.
We have a lot of leaves. And this one reminds me of a peach color or a sunset. Fake berries.
Yeah, we'll use them as accents.
Just for some cuteness.
Cuteness.
And we're gonna paint the flowers, as you already know.
I'm gonna recycle, upcycle probably. This
Recycle,
carton.
upcycle.
Thankfully, it goes in an already pretty yellow fall color, right?
Yeah, and we can also just patch some
So
black
we can
parts.
patch some, this part. We will use them for leaves. I'm only gonna make 5 flowers of this.
Yeah,
I
and
think
like
it's a pretty shape.
And we might use like 10 leaves. Maybe.
Yeah, I'll make some leaves of
But
different
also
shape.
make green flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Make green. We can use this other part for some other craft.
Yes, the lace will definitely be used somewhere. So,
Mommy, you're sitting on it.
I'm sorry, sweetie.
But that's enough.
So I think it's a pretty flower. I also might try to cut it and open it a little more. So here we have a beautiful flower. And I
It
think
looks like a tulip.
it does. And also from this part, I'm going to make leaves, which is quite easy. I'll just shape them in the easy way, cut them off, and Maya is going to paint them. So there you go, sweetie. I'll need some coloring for this. So we'll have different shaped leaves. We'll have this type of leaves and this. We'll mix them together and make a nice combination.
Yep.
I like the shape of the folded leaf, so that's how I use the edge of the box. They really look very nice, and they have volume.
All done making everything. See everything.
Somewhere here we'll just start it. We'll just glue it in one place. Okay, thanks. And then I'm gonna just do the wrapping like this.
Yep.
So see, you always can substitute the materials to realize your ideas. First I was imagining that I'll buy like the white roll of burlap, but I didn't find it. I only found the ribbon, which was also with a lace, which didn't fit. So I removed it and it really works well, right? Really important here, especially when I'm making it, I feel it. You have to hold it tight and tighten it every time you, like after every twist, because it does want to slide out of you, and then the whole project will be damaged when you use it a little. So it's really important to hold it tight. Here it is. We have our base, right? It's our base. And now we're going to arrange everything around this side, obviously, right?
I'm so excited to decorate.
So we have these leaves, which are not
all
very done with. So they can like stick outside maybe, right? And then we could, so we can use these leaves. Then we could use these leaves, and then some flowers, and a little bit of accents like this. So here we go, it's almost done. The only thing I want to add is just these little berries. I cut some of them. I think we'll just put one here and one here. We'll hot glue them and it will be done, I think. Cute little. So here we go, it's done. I really like it. It's not too big, not overwhelmed with decor, and I have decided not to put ribbon. I'll just use it as a holder. It will give it a little sparkly scent still. So it's gonna be like that. And I still have some beautiful leaves left for decoration. So here we go. We upcycled the egg cartons, which is cool. And everything I used were just cheap materials from Dollar Tree. Let's count. So the wreath, $1, the burlap ribbon, and the leaves. I guess the ribbon, you can use any, you don't need it. The little accents, so it's like $3-4 for everything. It's really cool, right? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it. I'd like to hear your comments, how you decorate for fall. Thank you for following me, and happy fall.